Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Zoom virtual background on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the More section next to the Websites button, and go to the Zoom virtual background option next to the magazine cover. Here you have more chains. If you want to add pictures and other files to your project, just go to the uploads button, and here you can upload different files to the Canva, or go to the gallery section, and here you can find it images and videos from your device. In the element section you can search different graphic elements, for example shapes, stickers, charts and more. If you want to add text to your project, just go to the text button and click to the add the text box option. If you want to draft, just go to the draft section and just draft to the canvas. If you go to the design section, you can find different styles and templates which were created by a professional graphic designer, and just select one and step on it. New, you can edit this template. If you want to move an item on your project, just click that and you can move, and you can edit the size. If you want to change the background color, just click to the colors square icon next to the design section and just select another color and done. If you want to change the text, just click to the text box, delete the text and write. New, you can edit your text. If you want to change the style, just click the arrow next to the school bell text style name, and here you can select another text style and font type and just select one. If you want to edit the size of your text, just click to the minus or the plus icon. In the animate section next to the effects button, you can add different animation to your text, and in the effects section you can find, for example, shadows and particular shape effects. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.